car is technically on. Let's push the button.
None of my lights are turning on.
That's not the news I wanted to hear. Welcome back to today's video. You kind of like this setup. I don't know how I feel about it, but I do like seeing my car in the background. It's actually 10 p.m. I think. It's dark outside. I'm still not super used to recording by myself, but before we get started with today's video, I want to make a quick announcement that Fitment Industries is a proud supporter of this channel. They've actually accepted me onto their street team, and what that means is I get an affiliate link, which I will put down below, and if you hit that, if you need any type of wheel, suspension, tires, valve stem caps, wheel lug nuts, wheel lug bolts, or even just a t-shirt. If you want a Fitment Industries t-shirt, hit my link down below, and a portion of those proceeds will come to this channel. It'll help get the TC off the ground. It'll help get the RSX stuff for that. You know, we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff on this channel, and like I said, I want to do this thing full time, so all these proceeds will help bring us up to that speed and, you know, hopefully be able to get us there a little faster. I'm super thankful to Fitment Industries. I'm super thankful for you guys checking this out, and like I said, please hit my link down below. It'll help this channel out a lot. Now, on to today's video. I called Jay immediately because this is nuts. This is only like 2 minutes into this, but I have been accepted the Fitment Industry Street Team, and that's ridiculous. I don't know. This is nuts.
And you know what's funny too? There's an FRS next to me too.
Oh, does he need some wheels? You can hit me.
Do you require an industry that performs in fitment? But you need to, you put a lot of work into this, so you should be very proud of yourself for, you know, this is an accomplishment, dude. This is huge.
Yeah,
like,
this is huge, honest to
think
God.
about how many times you see Fitment Industries, like you talk about it, and all of a sudden it shows up in your Instagram feed, and you're like, man, I wish, and now you respectfully can, you know, rock a banner and all that stuff. Like, that's wrong. That's dope. Everything that you produce is amazing, and like, especially from companies like this that can see it, like, that should also kind of scream at your face more that, like, not only is your inner circle believe in you, but people like companies like the ones I just listed from. Yeah, that's a really big accomplishment, honestly.
Thanks, dude. That's nuts.
From
the phone.
Time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Push Bobby.
I was like trying to follow where you were about to go because I was zoomed in and it was fun. So
we are doing my fog lights today. What we're doing right now is cutting out the fog light bezels, because in the 02s to 04s it's just like a plastic grill. So I actually have to take my rotary tool and cut out the excess so that way the bezel can fit on properly, and then after that it should be fine.
We haven't seen it yet, but Jay actually put his lip on too. You can see it now. It's there, but like, you'll see it when it's on the car. Yeah, so we're going to be putting in the fog lights. These ones do require that you have to cut the bumper, and that's what Jay is doing.
Obviously it's already traced out, or like there's already a guideline for it. This is just so that way I know what to follow without any room for error. And this is so that way you guys can see it if you guys are also doing it.
It'll actually end up having to go in, so, oh God. Jay got it on. It was actually pretty good. So the rear has to get cut. It looks like a little bit more, huh? Oh no, actually that fits pretty good.
So what I ended up having to do was, because like there was like these 2 angled clips here. I just had to round it out so I could push it in a lot more to make it flush. So I still got to secure the back, but I want to get both bezels on first. I based my cuts off of the outside of this.
The two, like, the clip thing?
Yeah, so that way this has enough clearance for here. These had two cross that were just like straight lines.
Just cut them out, though?
Yeah, I just shaped them so that way that would shape around here, because it was stopping it from coming all the way back.
Yeah.
So, and then it makes the clearance on that way.
Oh, I see.
And then snugs that way.
Nice, that actually looks pretty tight. Yeah. I had to make an AutoZone trip to get some connectors because our eBay kit didn't come with any.
Because of course, eBay.
It's eBay, but what? eBay. I mean, what do you expect? We got some eBay connectors. I'm gonna work on the wiring harness. We have our Snow White chair. These are the connectors that we were talking about in the eBay kit. They're just straight wire. So I bought some quick connectors. The terminals that we're going to use, we're going to splice it on there or crimp it on there. We're following the Spec D video. So according to that, we're supposed to take out the temperature sensor, but then we're going to take this, ground it to that, wire the harness through, and then I'll go and find some more things.
Both the bezels are both fitted on perfectly, but there's 2 slots in the back, and I'm just putting in these alligator clips.
Nice.
And then I'm just securing the bezels down, and then I'm going to help DJ out with whatever wiring he needs from me.
So on my end, like I said, we're following the Spec D video as much as possible, but this is an eBay kit, so it does not have all the good connectors that we need. So this one will go to obviously the fog light. We wire this through that crash protector. It'll be zip tied in. So if you do get the eBay kit, here's a black wire, your ground wire. They do not come with connectors, so like as I said, we had to buy connectors. There is a crimped connector. Spec D video says to wire it to this, which is the temperature sensor. This is broken, so it's just kind of hanging, which is fine. So instead, I actually put it down to the horn. So this is the wire that you need to run that will go to the rest of the connections. So in the Spec D video, it says that there is a 1-pin connector, which there is. It's here. It's deep. But this is the 1-pin connector. This one's all gunked up from it literally just being hanging for the last 20 years. So instead, and in the eBay kit, all it gives you is this blue wire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the blue wire. We're actually gonna quick connect the wire. Well, this is gonna attach like that. We're gonna quick connect this wire into that 1-pin connector and then run it through the driver's side. We're starting the internal part. Like I said, like Spec D's video is really good about showing where everything is, and we're following that. Unfortunately, we have to do some workarounds because, as I said, there's literally no connectors. We have to crimp things together, which is what it is. And this kit, of course, said that it had everything, but it doesn't. Ground wire is going to go right up there. This nut, that one, and that is located right by the steering column. Go underneath, and it should be that first nut right there. These wires had to get quick connected. So this wire here, this pin, is where things were supposed to be connected to through the OEM for the wiring harness, but we didn't have that, so we just took a quick connector and put it up to the harness here, and that's what this blue block is. The front bumper is all prepped up. There's the fog light. First of all, Spec D's video tells you to quick splice a couple wires. I'm going to show you what they look like in a second. But directly under the wheel is this brown box. This is the box you want. There's a white wire. I want you to put your positive terminal on the top white wire, and then your accessory power to the bottom white wire. That's all you need to know. We're going to plug this in. Oh God. Are you prepared?
I'm scared.
Same. Alright, here we go. Accessories on. Car is technically on. Let's push the button.
None of my lights are turning on.
That's not the news I wanted to hear. Troubleshooting. Oh my God! Oh, okay, shit. Here we go. No, hold on. Okay, push the button. Oh! No way! We got it, baby! Woo! It was after an hour of troubleshooting that.
Oh my God, dude!
Oh shit!
Oh,
dude.
Jesus Christ! Okay, so the connections are right at least.
Yes. Turn the halos on. Oh Lord! The wiring is working.
After almost an hour and a half.
Yeah, probably an hour and a half of troubleshooting.
I had to leave and get a tester. I think the only reason we had such a hard time with the steering wheel is because those wires are just thick.
That looks really solid. I'm a big fan. I think, like I said, if you can do, I think you would really like the amber look. And the yellow is a very JDM look anyway, on top of it's actually functional. Yellow, which I didn't know, the yellow actually does what fog should do, and the yellow spills out more, while the LED is more straight, they're more beamy. But the yellows, like I said, they come out more. It took a little while, but
it wasn't even actual wiring issue. It was more or less of just the connection to stay put.
Yes, it went okay. If you have any questions about how to do this or what to do, let us know, and we are going to figure things out for you, and we answer the comments. Bet. Okay, say goodbye.
Yeah!
Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to this week's video. My Crocs.